The question is the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 19 and 342 respectively. If one of the numbers is 9 by 2 times of the other, what is the greatest number? Here the concept used is for two numbers, the product of their HCF and LCM is equal to the product of their number themselves. LCM into HCF is equal to product of the numbers. In the question it is says if one of the numbers is 9 by 2 times of the other, so we use this clue. Let the two numbers be x and y and assume that x is equal to 9 by 2 times y. Substituting the values of HCF, LCM and x. Here LCM is 342 multiplied by HCF is 19 is equal to product of two numbers. Then two numbers are x and y, so first number is x into y. 342 multiplied 19, the value of x is 9 by 2 times of y into here y, so we don't multiply. 342 multiplied by 19 into 2 is into the lower the denominator 2 gets here and numerator 9 comes down is equal to y into y square. Here 9 divides 342 38 times, so y square is equal to 9. Here it is 38, 19 into 2 38, so 1 square cancels 38, therefore y is equal to 38. Here we get the value of y is equal to 38. Now we put the value of y in this equation to get the value of x. So x is equal to 9 by 2 multiplied y is equal to 38. 2 divides 38 19 times and 9 into 19 is equal to 171. As the question say what is the greatest number of, so here y is 38 and x is 171, so the greatest number is 171. The greatest number is 171, so option D is the correct answer.